Want to be your own boss? Control your own time? Dropshipping might be your ticket. But here's the catch. Choosing the right niche is crucial. It's the foundation of your dropshipping empire. Think of your niche as your target audience. Who are you selling to? What are their passions? What problems can you solve for them? A well-defined niche helps you focus your marketing, attract the right customers, and ultimately sell more. Ignore this step, and you'll be lost in a sea of competitors struggling to stand out. Choose wisely, and you're already on the road to success. Remember, a niche is more than just a product category. It's a specific group of people with specific needs and desires. So, are you ready to discover your perfect niche and unlock your dropshipping potential? Let's dive in.
Finding your perfect niche doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about combining your passions with smart market research. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Passion project. What gets you excited? What are your hobbies and interests? Starting with something you're passionate about makes the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Step 2. Market demand. Is there a market for your passion? Use tools like Google Trends to see what people are searching for online. Look for products with consistent search volume and upward trends. Step 3. Competition check. How crowded is the market? A little competition is healthy, but avoid overly saturated niches. Look for gaps in the market or underserved customer segments. Step 4. Profit potential. Can you make money? Research product costs, shipping fees, and potential profit margins. Aim for products with healthy margins to ensure profitability.
You've got a few potential niches in mind? Great! Now, let's dig a little deeper. Remember, we're aiming for long-term success, so thorough research is key. Understanding your target audience. Who are you selling to? What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? The more you know your audience, the better you can tailor your products and marketing. Analyzing competitors. Who are your main competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? What can you do differently or better? Competitor analysis helps you identify opportunities and differentiate yourself. Evaluating market trends. Is the niche growing or shrinking? Are there any emerging trends or technologies? Staying ahead of the curve helps you adapt and remain competitive in the long run. Testing the waters. Don't be afraid to test your niche with small-scale experiments. Run targeted ads, launch a basic website, or engage with potential customers on social media to gauge interest.
Steering clear, avoiding saturated markets. Some dropshipping markets are flooded with competitors, making it difficult to stand out. Here's how to avoid those crowded waters. Spotting saturation, high competition, low profit margins, and generic products are red flags. If everyone and their neighbor is selling it, it might be time to reconsider. Niche down, stand out. Instead of broad categories, focus on specific sub-niches. For example, instead of yoga mats, consider eco-friendly yoga mats for travel. Unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your store different? Offer unique products, exceptional customer service, or a specialized brand experience to set yourself apart. Focus on value, not just price. Competing solely on price is a race to the bottom. Offer value through high-quality products, fast shipping, or personalized experiences.
Profit potential, where the money is. Profitability is the lifeblood of any business. Here's how to ensure your dropshipping niche has money-making potential. Product research. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and healthy profit margins. Tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and dropshipping directories can help. Pricing strategies. Consider your costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value when setting prices. Experiment with different pricing models to find what works best for your niche. Cost optimization. Minimize expenses by negotiating with suppliers, optimizing shipping costs, and automating tasks. Every penny saved contributes to your bottom line. Marketing and sales. Drive traffic to your store through effective marketing strategies like social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising.
Examples. Niche is ripe for the picking. Need some inspiration? Here are a few examples of potentially profitable dropshipping niches. Eco-friendly products. Sustainability is a growing trend. Consider dropshipping eco-friendly products like reusable bags, bamboo toothbrushes, or biodegradable phone cases. Home office essentials. With remote work on the rise, home office products like ergonomic chairs, standing desks, and noise-cancelling headphones are in high demand. Pet products. People love to spoil their furry friends. Pet products like personalized collars, organic treats, and interactive toys offer a large and passionate market. Travel accessories. As travel resumes, lightweight luggage, portable chargers, and travel-sized toiletries are essential for globetrotters.
Your dropshipping journey begins now. Finding your perfect dropshipping niche is the first step towards entrepreneurial freedom. It's about combining your passions with smart business decisions to create a venture that's both profitable and fulfilling. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best niche for you depends on your interests, skills, and market research. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and adapt along the way. The world of dropshipping is full of opportunities. Are you ready to seize yours? Start by identifying your passions, researching potential niches, and taking action. Your dropshipping dream starts today.